4 ways that you can make money, guys, and this is the money quadrant. This is only 4 ways that you can make money. You can have a job, right? You can own a job, which is have a job. Of course, we know what that is. You know, we go get a job, we go fill out a resume, and we go work a job. We get paid an hourly wage or a salary, and we trade time for money, you know. Then we can become what's called self-employed. We can have, you know, like hairstylists. I can cut hair, you know, I can cut grass. You know, I own a job now, so I'm a contractor, right? So I'm still trading my time for cash, right? Then on the right side of things, and the key thing I say, the right side of things, you have what's called business, right? But you're like, Snake, but hold on, I thought you could own a business down here and still be self-employed. I can be a hairstylist and still work inside my hair salon. I still own that business, right? Yes, that is true. You own that business. But the key thing is we're going to erase this word business and we're going to call this system. You own a system. So the key thing is McDonald's is a multi-billion-dollar corporation because they own a system, which means I can be a franchisee, buy into McDonald's, right? Buy into their system. And I never worked at McDonald's before though, but I understand the basic concept of they have a system. So if you go into any McDonald's, right? And I haven't been into McDonald's in years. You know, I try not to eat fast food though. That's the only reason why, to be honest with you. I just try not to eat fast food, you know. But if you go into any McDonald's, they have the fry machine at a certain place. They have the drive-throughs at a certain place. They have the register. You know, they have the computers that take your drinks and everything. They have everything at a certain place. So which means they have a system. So they can take a 16-year-old kid and put them into that organization and still have that multi-billion-dollar organization, multi-million-dollar franchisee spot still conduct and make money because it's a system. It's easily duplicatable. It's something that's easily transferable. It's easily